This is a final video to fix controller lag in Final Fantasy VII Rebirth on PC. Are you tired of your controller responding late or skipping inputs while playing? This lag happens because your PC and the game sometimes fail to sync the controller properly, or the default settings slow down the input. Many guides on YouTube or social media suggest long, complicated fixes that are confusing and take too much time. But today, Rex's will show you a simple trick that fixes this instantly. With just a few clicks, your controller will feel smooth and responsive like it should. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do, comment below and I'll do it for you. Don't struggle with lag anymore. This easy method will get you back to enjoying Final Fantasy VII Rebirth the right way.